Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the crust in a medium or large bowl, add in the softened butter and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add in the sugar and beat it in until it's well combined. Don't cream the mixture. Then add in the flour. Mix it in with a spoon at first. Then mix it in with the electric mixer until the mixture is crumbly. Lightly grease the sides of an 8 or 9-inch square baking pan. You don't have to grease the bottom because the crust won't stick to the pan, but the filling will, and that's why we're just greasing the sides of the pan. Pour the crust into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Then use your hands to press it into the pan. And bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until it's very lightly browned. To make the filling, first grate the zest of a lemon, or grate enough zest so you have 1 tablespoon. And set it aside for now. Then in a medium or large bowl, you can use the same bowl that was used for the crust. Add in the eggs and beat them with an electric mixer until they're foamy. Then add in the sugar, flour, lemon juice, baking powder, and salt. And beat them in on a medium speed for 3 minutes until it lightens and thickens slightly. Then add in the lemon zest from earlier and mix it in until it's combined. Then pour the filling on top of the crust and bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are browned and the center is set. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool on a cooling rack until it's just slightly warm or completely cooled. Then finish it off with a dusting of powdered sugar. And when you're ready to serve, just cut it up into bars and serve. And that's how to make lemon bars. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.